Welcome back, Golden Bugs. Let's take a look at the gold market and just make some minor adjustments to the plan that we have created, because today we have some clarity on some concerns that we had yesterday. Yesterday we had a really great discussion of the possible entry chances, what to look on to make the early decision, where to enter, what the pattern to use. So all the other stuff that we discussed, probably I hope it was useful too. So currently what we could say on the daily chart, market has taken out of this top. So from this point of view, I give you all congratulations. The minimum target of our trading stop that lasts for a couple of weeks has been done, because weekly grabber that has been formed here 2 weeks ago now has reached minimum target. So this level is taken off. But it doesn't mean that our production should stop. On the daily chart and in perspective of the few sessions, I would keep an eye on this performance here, and maybe we will get the bullish grabber. So you can see that the MACD is converging, and here might be fluctuations today, maybe tomorrow on the personal consumption expenditures report or somewhere, some volatility could give us the grabber. That might be a great pattern to support our view and just give us more confidence that actually the market is preparing for our protection. It is not absolutely necessary, but we would like to see it. So that's the first pattern that we intend to keep an eye on here. Dropping low on the 4 time frame chart. Yesterday we talked a lot about triangle shape here, and because it might be the key for the next direction, and it's bring some simplicity to analysis and entry process. And currently, guys, as you understand, we have no questions, right? So with this recent performance, obviously you could see the triangle, which means that our protection should start right from here. So chances on the deep retracement, of course I do not know what will be the PCE index, but based on the current shape that market is calling near the top, and as we said yesterday, mentioned some market mechanics of the price fluctuations, speaking about on particular swings on intraday charts, why they are not looking bearish and so on. So it's just confirmation, the things that we said yesterday. So if you would like to buy gold, here's the great point to think about it, just because market stands very close to invalidation points, which is actually these lows. And if you take in position here, you'll just participate with this potential butterfly and further upward continuation. So daily ABCD has target around 43.45, butterfly has 43.26, very close. That's probably will be the destination point. I'm not sure that we will reach it tomorrow, but it's nearest targets that we have currently. Intermediate target stands around 42.92, or we could even just round it as a 43. So it will be right there. On the hourly chart, I do not see lots of stuff that we probably could need, so I just keep the picture as we discussed it yesterday. Let's have a look. This pattern right now we do not need anymore, because we suggest that it should be upward continuation here. With this performance of the hand and shoulders, it's actually grabbers, and performance has happened really accurately. So you can see market jumped and taken out of the stop. So minimum target of the grabber has been completed, but later you can see it has shown some minor downside continuation. Right now, well, you could even identify here some minor ABCD, something like this, but it's not very important. So context here stands very simple. To keep the bullish, short-term bullish scenario valid, market has to stay above this area. If still we will get this breakout, then probably, yes, we will have to consider some downside ABCD, but in this case it will be already larger. So it will be based on the recent top, not on the initial ABCD pattern that we discussed yesterday. So it will be in this case something like this, and we will have to return back to discussion of the previous support that we talked about for 125 and so on. But for this purpose, market has to break the triangle to the downside. Currently it seems that it stands well, and I think that it's the first scenario that we could try to use. That's probably all for now. Let's just keep watching what will happen. With the triangle, probably we will get clarity today, tomorrow. So in weekend we could probably will get the situation with more evidence, and could start speaking about either these targets, or in case of the deep retracement, then probably we will once again start searching chances to go long with the different levels. But still, I hope that it will be okay with this triangle and a potential butterfly will be formed. Let's see.